Hello everybody! I'm gonna make baked chicken wings today. What we have ingredients. I have almost 4 pounds chicken wings. We have paprika, salt, pepper paste, olive oil and yogurt. This yogurt is homemade. I will show you next time how I'm making homemade yogurt. I will use yogurt for marination. How I will make. This is olive oil. It's better to use olive oil, but if you don't want to use olive oil, you can use something else. But my secret is olive oil. So, one important point. And 2 dessert spoon paprika and 2 salt. Then I will add 1 full of the dessert spoon pepper paste. This is my second secret, actually super secret. If you can't find that, you can use tomato paste, or you don't have to use any paste. In any Arabic or Turkish market or international food market, yes, you can find that pepper paste. And I will add yogurt. This is tablespoon. I'll add 2 tablespoon yogurt, and I will mix them very well, and then I will add on my chickens. I'm gonna make like 4 pounds chicken wings. I have chicken wings like that. This is whole chicken wings. It's your choice. You can use whole or you can cut them all from the joints right here. I will use whole. So after I mixed all of them together, I will add to my chickens. I will add a little bit oregano. This is your choice. I like oreganos. If you don't want, you don't have to use it. But my suggestion is just a little bit oregano is gonna be okay. Now I will add all the sauce to my chickens, and then I'll mix it. I'll use glove. Actually, my hands are clean, but this is a little bit dirty job. I marinated my chicken. I'm gonna wait 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will bake it. So I'll tell you how degree is gonna be your oven. I'll put it into the fridge and I'll wait 2 hours. Yes guys, chicken's ready. It was almost 2 hours in the fridge and marinated. And then we are gonna bake it like 45 minutes. So I'll put my chickens to the tray. and I'm gonna adjust them. What are you waiting for? Just bake it. Yes, our baked chicken wings are ready. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please don't forget like and subscribe and share with your friend. If you have any question, you can write comment. Thank you very much. You'll have a great day.